Lane Community College. Center for Accessible Resources. In this video, you will learn how to use and navigate your audio recorder. Use the arrow buttons to navigate the folder menu and the center button to select a folder to record into. Press the red Record button to begin a recording. Press Record again to pause the recording. Press Record a third time to resume the recording. Press the Stop button to end the recording. Press List to return to the folder. To delete a recording, select it from the folder and press the orange Erase button.
It's been flashing.
USB function. If your recorder did not come with a cord, slide the lower button on the side of the recorder. To turn off your recorder, slide the button on the side down and hold it until you see the Olympus display. If you have questions, concerns, or would like to request this information in an alternate format, please contact the Center for Accessible Resources at 541-463-5150 or accessibleresources@lanecc.edu. Thank you.